This presentation has been developed by EFCO to introduce new and prospective employees to EFCO. With great pride, we are an employee-owned company and offer promising career opportunities to develop your talent within our organization. The EFCO team appreciates your enthusiasm and commitment to support our being the best in the industry. Des Moines, Iowa is home to the EFCO Center, our corporate office building, and the Institute, EFCO's training facility. The Institute is where we provide training dedicated to our customers and employees. The high road linking the two figuratively connects education with EFCO's core business. Customers who visit EFCO's Concrete Construction and Forming Institute Training Center have often commented about the enthusiasm, knowledge, and passion our employees have for their work and the concrete forming and shoring business. Core values. At EFCO, we use QIIS as an acronym and a way to always remember our core values. And when we speak of QIIS, this is what we mean. Our message to employees is that we work, live, speak, and breathe these core values in everything we do. Quality. We are driven to deliver the highest level of quality in our products and performance in everything we do. We take pride in delivering superior solutions that meet or exceed the expectations of our customers, and we do it right the first time. Integrity. We work with our customers, employees, and shareholders with honesty, trust, mutual respect, and the highest standards of ethics and professional conduct. We treat our customers with the same level of concern and respect that we wish to receive in return. Innovation. We think and work creatively to bring forward transformative ideas, solutions, and products. We pride ourselves on developing and implementing superior solutions for our customers and the concrete construction industry. Super service. We deliver products and services that meet or exceed the expectations of our customers. We focus on the customer's challenges and deliver on our commitment on time, complete every time. Every staff member, whether you're a frontline welder, accountant, drafter, territory manager, or engineer, has a vital role to play in ensuring that every customer receives the very best service and products. We will make every effort to support you and to create an environment in which you can achieve our highest level of excellence. EFCO is a great company with a great future, and we are proud of our long history of success. What does EFCO do? EFCO is a company that manufactures steel formwork for concrete construction and shoring equipment to support elevated concrete during the construction process. Why is formwork and shoring equipment important? For our work today, concrete is an important component of almost all new construction projects. Why are tools for construction projects important? Forming and shoring equipment is much like a building contractor's tools for concrete construction. They are not consumed in a construction project like lumber and nails and are very important during the construction process. The use of efficient construction tools like EFCO formwork and shoring during the construction of a project is a major factor contributing to a contractor's successes. Since 1934, EFCO has provided our customers with the best value and lowest in-place concrete costs through the vision and passion of our founder, W.A. Jennings. EFCO's founder, W.A. Jennings. W.A. Jennings, a natural entrepreneur, civil engineer, and inventor, founded EFCO in the basement of his Des Moines, Iowa home at the height of the Great Worldwide Depression. An adventurous businessman, Jennings invented a modular all-steel panel forming system that a single worker could easily handle. The handset panel system is still in use today and is the cornerstone to the many product innovations we currently manufacture. From basement to today. Today, EFCO is the world leader in all-steel formwork manufacturing. Let us share with you just a few of the projects that EFCO has been a part of for the past 80 years. The Greenville Bridge in Lake Village, Arkansas. The Boone High Bridge in Boone, Iowa. Target Field, home of the Minnesota Twins in Minneapolis, Minnesota. City Creek Center in Salt Lake City, Utah. Mina Plaza in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. The Athletic and Ice Complex in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. The Toscana Towers in Panama City, Panama. The Gulf Intracoastal Waterway West Closure Complex in Belle Chasse, Louisiana. I-35W St. Anthony Falls Bridge in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Wachovia Headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina. The 42-story Met 2 office tower in Miami, Florida. The Great Taipei Bridge in Taipei, Taiwan. The Calumet Water Reclamation Plant in Chicago, Illinois. The 48-story high-rise in Fort Lee, New Jersey. The TransLink Building in New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. The Bank Rakyat in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Suburban mid-rise condominiums in Parañaque, Philippines. Stratford Tower in London, England. Mayo Clinic, the Richard O. Jacobson Building in Rochester, Minnesota. AMLI River North in Chicago, Illinois. One World Trade Center, Freedom Tower in New York, New York. The University of Monterrey Roberto Garza Sada Center in Monterrey, Mexico. IB Tower in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The Interstate 91 Bridge in Windsor, Vermont. The Wilshire Grand Tower in Los Angeles, California. U.S. Bank Stadium, home of the Minnesota Vikings in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Jack Trice Stadium, home of the Iowa State Cyclones in Ames, Iowa. 220 West Illinois High Rise in Chicago, Illinois. The Bang Na Expressway in Bangkok, Thailand. The Clark Bridge on the Mississippi River in Alton, Illinois. The Luxor Pyramid in Las Vegas, Nevada. The Northumberland Strait Bridge in Northumberland, Canada. A highway to connect La Serena and Vallenar in La Serena, Chile. The Ritz-Carlton in Waikiki, Hawaii. The Ohio River Bridge in Louisville, Kentucky. The St. Croix River Bridge in Stillwater, Minnesota. Mary Greeley Medical Center in Ames, Iowa. Highway Garzón and El Agrado in Garzón, Huila, Colombia. Ethanol plant expansion in Sutherland, Nebraska. In addition to civil construction projects, EFCO also furnishes forming and shoring equipment for a lot of commercial structures. These are structures like churches, schools, office buildings, factories, warehouses, and parking garages, just to name a few. How does EFCO do it? EFCO has two major manufacturing plants, one in Des Moines, Iowa, and the other in Georgetown, Ontario, Canada. We believe the Des Moines plant is the largest steel formwork manufacturing plant dedicated to the concrete construction industry, and our products have been used on every continent. It is really state-of-the-art. EFCO differentiating itself from competitors. To our customers, we are noted for being far more than just a manufacturer of one of the best, if not the best, steel formwork and shoring equipment suppliers in the world. We take pride by differentiating ourselves from our competitors in many ways with our products, engineering, and job site field service, just to name a few. EFCO stands out from many competitors with its vertical integration of business processes from start to finish. This delivers many employment opportunities for individuals from different fields, educational backgrounds, professions, and skills. The vertically integrated EFCO business includes product design, customer project engineering support, direct sales to customers and users, worldwide warehousing, distribution transportation, remanufacturing leased EFCO equipment, in-house marketing and advertising, including this video, computer business systems design and building information technology, finance and accounting, human resources. Employment opportunities. EFCO delivers employment opportunities in many ways with engineering, sales, warehouses, and distribution offices. EFCO has engineering, sales, warehouses, and distribution offices in Marlborough, New Jersey, Columbus, Ohio, Atlanta, Georgia, Orlando, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Dallas, Texas, Los Angeles, California, Fresno, California, Seattle, Washington, and of course, Des Moines, Iowa. EFCO has sales offices, warehouses, and remanufacturing plants around the world: Canada, Mexico, Latin and South America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. What makes EFCO tick? Excellence in quality, integrity, innovation, and super service is our driving force. EFCO truly is a visionary company, a gold medal company continually striving to do better. To do more than just make money, we are dedicated to producing the best products and providing solutions that impact the world. EFCO has a simple but demanding goal: deliver the best value and lowest in-place concrete costs to our customers. EFCO is a customer needs-focused company. Our objective is to engineer, manufacture, and supply the very best solution to the contractor's concrete forming challenges. This includes analysis, design, presentation, selling, detailing, manufacturing, delivery, and field service. Super service, state-of-the-art manufacturing, award-winning engineering and drafting, knowledgeable territory managers, and highly experienced field service representatives all work together to deliver our customers the best results. The EFCO team. EFCO has a team of very dedicated people. We exemplify construction experience and quality engineering. Senior management has a solid base of field experience. EFCO has a strong mix of civil, mechanical, industrial, and construction engineers that is unique in the industry. Comfort is not the objective in a visionary company. As W.A. Jennings would say, one of the most important things in life is to learn how to work and be a contributor. At EFCO, there are many interesting projects where there is opportunity for professional growth and career development. Opportunities. At EFCO, we are dedicated to helping our employees form their future with us. EFCO promotes employee development through succession planning, internal posting opportunities, employee training classes. EFCO offers hands-on and classroom training at our 45,000 square foot training facility, the EFCO Concrete Construction and Forming Institute. EFCO employees and customers from all around the world are brought to the Institute for position and product-specific training. Course topics include integrity selling, customer service, engineering, drafting, product knowledge, and competitive awareness. At EFCO, we are very proud of what we have built so far and are looking forward to the best and brightest future. To do this, we must employ, train, and provide opportunity to the most competitive and qualified people in order to achieve our highest possible level of performance. Welcome to EFCO.